a lady arikudawo rubatsiro kuti veduweka zvandapindana nazvo andikwanisi kana kuzvitsanangura. She says that her wedding is in December, but then she's starting to feel like she does not want to go with it anymore, like she's getting cold feet. And my husband to be ana ex-fiance wake that the whole family knows and loves, and they were together for 5 years, and for some strange reason he never married her. She's a caterer, and apparently and she handles all the family occasions and functions, and Anzi cater for the wedding. And honestly, I've seen hell, and the whole family knows her and adores her. She still calls my fiance dear or bro and other names. Bro, what's up, bro? Amy. Yes. Anyway, and Auntie, my fiance's mother calls her my daughter, but calls me by my name. And when I confronted him, he said they've known each other for 10 years before they even started dating, and that she's family. Okay. So this woman is saying that she already feels threatened and uncomfortable. To make matters worse, Anzi, the day that I cooked for him, he was completely neutral. No compliment, no appreciation. Yet I'm known as the best cook in my home. Please, I need advice. Should I continue with this wedding, or this is a sign that I should step back? So wanted to then ask you, your take on this. And also, should families cut ties with an ex once a new partner is introduced, or is it okay to keep them around as family? I'm like, kind of guys, even for me as well, kind of, it's not good. Chorondiri ni wachona arku keep in the other family, and apana mwana ripo, and jugungo keep and we're just in comms, we're hanging out, and for the sake of the other person, just step back, for the sake of the other person. If it didn't work, it didn't work. And just to say hi here and there, but then for them to actually be family and be involved, it's so uncomfortable. I actually feel where she's coming from. And if her husband to be does not understand, ties should be cut, then there is the problem. Problem because I to understand that, or to put himself in your shoes to say, to try and justify this, that's not fair. Msakipe vanwe kuti kana kana sina kuita zvinakuita, zvekudhumana madhumana, oh hey mwanangu, that's it. Zvekuzoti shwa munhu atongopo achingopesuka, aiwa kana tinoti pasinazvo. Sister Leo, mamukasei?
Tamkakana mamkawa. Makuda kutirambisa kumafamilies edu atakapiwa nashe.
Family for life.
Ma God given families edu. And atakasarudza, tikasarudzwa. Patakaberekerwa takangobata much of a choice ka.
Yeah.
Waimona. Saka. But we've known Muskano for 15 years. Obviously, for 15 years, my bonds ni moyo aninga. Tikazodana for the last 5 years, but nanamuzia for the last 10 years before the 5 years the relationship. So she's family. Torasa ere yo umafikizolo ka uchangosvika. Torasa wedu watinoziva ere. Takato discovered kaunoti zvekudanana azvitifambire zvakanaka. And vatasiyana nazvo, that's why wakagamuchirika wakadi. You should try to be part of the family. Tiri vanhu vanorwisanisa vanhu. Avanorwisanisa vanhu, hanzi. Anonorwisanisa vanhu. Tane 15 years.
I'm really trying to understand where you're going with this.
Because natoona even WhatsApp makutotanga kutoataka makutaka iswana tete tinorukwa musoro anditi nchirukwa musoro mahari uyanobika ake anditi sita nchirukwa musoro sister yedu,
she's family.
Anotomboenda kunana Dubai toigirwa magifts to
when mama was not well.
Yes, she would come in and chip in. Pamwe tatombobhadharirwa mafees na uyu anditi ena bhuti zvakaramba hazvo. And iwewe unotoya aripo isitakugamuchira. But you also need to understand tane 15 years tichizivana na vanenge vasisiri maiguru nesister yedu.
She's part of the family.
She's part of the family. So we don't even understand kuti my insecurities are kubva kupi.
Because apana chino, between us there's nothing.
There's nothing.
She's just family.
There's anotona mama vanotomudedza kuti daughter.
Ska wada kutoti disadvantage mama, the relationship that she has.
Yes,
be respectful.
and the relationship.
No insecurity.
No insecurity.
Guys, guy wanga zvikati kwezvinhu zvakadai. No.
Skatosiya kameri inhangu.
Pane apana mwana vedwe.
When I read it,
and
I was like,
mwana zvokuti just respect munhu aripo, you know. Kuroti vanhu vakutohanga out all the time. Zvotonzi iwe ndiye anoita chakati and
but respect haidzidziswe guys. That's also something you need to understand. Relationship, I also feel like relationships, respect, it's a reflection of vanhu vako accept say. In the sense yekuti if they've really accepted you as makoti murora munyowani, then boundaries and respect is something that should be given freely.
That's
you can't
so
teach
true.
them. So iwo ndo kutofunga kuti wagamuchirika because they are tolerating you. I don't think they've accepted you. Handizi yangu kuti kumba kwenyu vanga vasakude here. At this point, but kwangosara November ndine unosvika 6 December. I don't know zvangu, but you know those is ready and arisi ready ripa munhu wako riri ready rakabatanidza nemhuri yake.
The whole family.
So imagine avanowirirana iwo ndio munyowani anodedzwa nemaindements my daughter chichiodedzwa nezita rako anotombokunyeya
hanzi kana usina kusimbatiza.
I don't know kuti vekumba kwenyu vanga vasakude.
Hanzi tori the same challenge. Ambuya wangu continues to entertain the ex-boyfriend of my wife in the name of anogadzira their fridge, anonymous.
Ex uyu anomiramira mabasa emaoko ndo ake fakada kumwoyo walo unonzi chiloni fakada kusvika magetsi
kuti mwana atori mwana
and anobvuma kutumika anotumika and anotori pane mamwe situations ekuona kuti you can't start fighting now
because you're competing.
Is competing, you're fighting.
You know,
kuti you feel threatened. Kusika wako accept. You know, sometimes you don't accept, you're in denial. And kusika wako accept, I feel threatened.
Yeah.
So
you can send a voice note as well. Should families cut ties with an ex once a new partner is introduced? And is it okay to keep them around as family? Zviriko here kwenyu zvokuti munoti ayo uyu anga atoo mwana ende kurambana kwedu didn't mean kuti you know akutobviswa mumuri because anga atoo mwana pato nema-attachments not kuti pane mwana but that anga atoo mwana wemhuri part of the family.
My daughter.
0772162651 hanzi ndorasa here ex vakandipa mari yekutanga business.
Iwe conversation ene muri yese ina appreciator
kuti anga ari munhu ari right munhu ane rudo
zvisingaiti.